My friends, it's Sean Vigue with SeanVigueFitness.com. Today we're doing a yoga for men flexibility class to reduce stress in the body, get rid of those distractions, to increase our mobility and flexibility, to bring the body back into alignment, and to help prevent injuries. Great for rehabbing the body. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. Are you checked in below? Do that right now. I appreciate that. And we're all set. Let's begin with child's pose. We're going to stretch out the back, stretch out the spine, and release a lot of tension that we may be keeping in our body. So I'm glad you're here. This is just fantastic. Or as Arnold Schwarzenegger would say, it's fantastic. Press back, knees wide. You can modify any of these as you need to, of course. It's all body weight. All body weight. So you can make a split-second adjustment. Let's reach the fingers forward. I want you to relax the shoulders. Always go over the foundation of these poses to get the best possible benefit from them. Relaxing the shoulders. Let's breathe 5 times here, in the nose and out the nose. Good. Working your tailbone back and down. You feel the extension and the expansion in your back. Increasing blood flow. And one more deep breath. Focus on bringing in the breath to the abdominals, your sides, and even into your lower back. So a full, deep breath, and then vacuum the breath out of the lungs, out of the body. Okay, from child's pose, we're going to move into threading the needle. Take your left arm here. We're going to add some nice rotation work here. Opening up the low back. Reach that left arm through. Bring the head down to the mat. This hand can stay here for some more support, or you may bring that arm to your lower back. That's up to you. We're elevating the, what do we call this? Our tush, your bum, your tush, your arse. Bring it up slightly so we're getting the extension of the child's pose and the rotation. Let's do 3 more breaths right here. Drawing this right shoulder back gently with each exhale. But find where you are. Work from where you are right now and then expand. And one more breath. Threading the needle. Rotational flexibility, rotational power, and let's go to the other side. So right arm, thread it underneath. Let's do 5 breaths total. Here or here. Reach that right arm further through slightly with each breath, getting the length and the rotation. Left shoulder back. Good. Working into your threshold. Breathe into that movement. Keep it smooth. Keep it honest. Okay. Bring it through. Woo! I wrote down some fun stuff today. But first, either sitting cross-legged or on your heels, shoulder drops. I used to call them shoulder rolls. I'm actually changing that, because a shoulder roll pulls back too far. It actually pushes you out of alignment down here. A shoulder drop, you're going to lift up and just sink it down so you expand the chest. Drop it a little slower. Oh, 2 more. Lift, add a little tension, and then we release it. So we're opening up the breath, getting some real correct posture here, tucking your tailbone slightly underneath your body. All right, let's move on to the cobra pose. It's a back bend. Open up our back. Get some, it's really all about openness in the body so your breath can flow unimpeded and your blood can flow. Increase circulation. So take the hands underneath the shoulders, elbows into the sides, into the ribs. You're going to inhale, pull the shoulders back. Your legs are extended as much as you can. Draw the shoulders back, keep your chin slightly tucked, and we're lifting. So doing some little lifting here in the back, in the erectors, and also pulling the shoulders back, a little press into the hands. You can lift the hands off the mat too if you wish. Let's do 3 more breaths. As you inhale, lift up. Draw those shoulders back so we counteract the rolling shoulders forward. Cobra pose. Good. Now lower down, nice big stretch. And thread the needle from here. If this is too much, go back to child's pose. Do it from there. If not, we take the right arm underneath, left arm forward. Big stretch for your shoulder. It's going to creep into your upper back as well. If you want more, might as well add this now. I like to give optional add-ons. Take the other arm across, and we have the knot pose. K-N-O-T. Be gentle with this one. Be cautious. Be in control. It really is going to open up your upper back and shoulders. 3 more breaths. I like to throw this one in here. It's rather a yoga curveball. It's very unexpected, but I find that routines that we know what's coming next, we start to shut down. Our mind isn't as sharp. Our body isn't as present. So always challenging, always changing it up. Now, switch sides. You can do thread the needle other way or both the arms in the knot. It's up to you. Let's do 5 breaths. And breathe. Heap the breath upon the pose. There's a little cloud up there, a wisp of cloud. How's that feel? You feeling some movement here? Some of your shoulders might be frozen, they might be stuck. We're adding movement. We're bringing in some fresh blood and oxygen to wash away the tension. 1 more breath. Okay, woohoo. Unwind the arms, shake them out for a moment. This is me shaking it. Get off there. It's like you're flicking water off your fingers. And once again, you can have the forearms down for baby cobra or cobra. Once again, shoulders back or press all the way up into upward facing dog. Your elbows are in, your shoulders are back, the knees can be down, or extend the legs. This is definitely more challenging, so work up to this. But I want this video, as all my videos on this channel, to be a guide that once you feel really comfortable with something, you can move on to the next level. Drop the shoulders, squeeze the glutes, take pressure off your lower back if you are in the up dog. Let's do 1 more breath. Like working the triceps too and the shoulders. All right, down, woohoo. And let's go to downward facing dog. If it's too much, go back to child's pose. I want to lengthen this down dog too. So we're going to start hands in front of the shoulders. Take the, what are these called? Feet. Take your feet behind your hips, and we're pressing this direction, this direction. Everything's going towards the heels. Relax the shoulders. Perhaps you need to bend your knees. Go ahead. It's body weight exercises. It's you and the mat. Stretch it out. Now, if you like, you can lengthen that down dog. Hands further forward or the feet further back for extra stretch in your spine and back and down the backs of the legs. 3 more breaths. Really use your breath. It's with us 24/7, but it is an amazing tool. It's an amazing teacher, and it will lead you further into every pose and exercise you will ever do. There's that stretch. All right, pigeon pose, right knee forward. I discovered something yesterday doing this, that I have been doing my pigeon poses at about 70%. I did something yesterday, it went to about 99%. So I'll share that with you in just a moment. Let's go in here. Hands are down, slide the left leg back. This right knee is down. You can keep the foot here and work from this angle. You can also bend both the knees, like right here with the hands down for protection. This is a little bit of a modified pigeon because it can be pretty intense. Now, when you get more flexible, bring this right foot forward. What I was doing yesterday, and you might not be here, that's fine, is I was actually getting a right angle pretty much in the leg. And I was hovering right over it. Because usually I kind of keep it right here. Good stretch. This one is amazing for opening up your hips and your glutes and your lower back. So find it. Let's take 3 more breaths right here, sliding that left leg back. Good. Relax the shoulders. How's that feel? Feel good? Feeling some movement. Yeah, all through here. Oh, it's amazing, like a deep tissue massage, and we need it. Okay, let's switch sides for the pigeon. Whew. Left, so we have here, here, you could bend or keep flirting with bringing this foot forward and sliding that right leg back, being as square as possible, hands down or forearms, 5 breaths. Man. Yeah, this is doing something. And the time just keeps on slipping into the future. So let's take the money and run here. Let me know below if you want more videos just like this. Yoga for men, flexibility, mobility. Let's finish off. I wrote out a lot more, but we want to make these in 10-minute bite-sized snacks. Let's do a forward fold. I want you to bend the knees, and hands can be here. You can stay up here, down here, or dive. I know one of the first Yoga for Men videos I ever did, I got some complaints about forward fold. Like, oh, I can't go all the way down and do that. And I say, well, I can because I practice it. I do it. So if you practice, keep doing it consistently, you will get better. I usually ask people, well, how many times have you done it? None. So, okay. Practice it. It's right here. You can also bring the arms here, grab here, or just let the arms hang. 3 more breaths. Put the weight into the toes, and we got it, my friend. Loosening up the spine, spinal mobility. Stress relief. Okay, now bring it down. Once again, cross-legged or sitting on your heels, shoulder drops. And that'll do it for this session. What'd you think of that? Drop it down. Let's do it 2 more times. I have my photo shoot tomorrow for my next paperback, which is Pilates for athletes for the next 2 days. A lot of photographs and poses, so this is a great routine for me to do before that. Looks weird, doesn't it? I'm Coach Vigue, my friends. Check in below, and thanks for training with me. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.
Hey, Big Mike. Hey, how you doing? Oh my God.